Did you know you can only see about 2% of particles in the air? Just because you can't see them doesn't mean they aren't there. Lucky for you, our unique MicroPower Guard electronic air cleaner can help drastically reduce the pollutants and viruses your family breathes in at home. MicroPower Guard uses electrostatic technology to provide a superior level of air cleaning. As a matter of fact, it eliminates more than 90% of unwanted contaminants. The MicroPower Guard air cleaners create an electric charge in microscopic particles like dust mites, allergens, bacteria, viruses, and mildew. Once electrically charged, these particles load around the active, polarized fibers in the carbon filter, reducing the number of pollutants in your air. This revolutionary technology provides a level of air cleaning that traditional pleated filters cannot achieve. Traditional filters only filter the air, while MicroPower Guard cleans the air. Also, MicroPower Guards do not restrict airflow and ensure your whole system runs more efficiently. Concerned your electric bill will be higher? Don't be. Power consumption is very low, so the cost and benefits of a MicroPower Guard are well worth the investment. Discuss options for installing a MicroPower Guard in your home with your technician today.